Are you tired of battling carpet grime? Join us as we test the top contenders for the best vacuum to crush dirt and restore your carpets to their former glory. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Dyson V8. Dyson is renowned for its premium vacuums, and while the 2016 Dyson V8 is older, it offers excellent value as a budget-friendly option. Despite its age, the V8 delivers strong suction power, versatility, and decent battery life. It functions as both a stick and handheld vacuum with a 0.54L dustbin and Dyson Cyclone technology for effective dirt separation. Our reviewer found it lightweight and easy to maneuver, though it lacks newer features like an LCD screen and automatic suction adjustment. With up to 40 minutes of battery life on standard mode, or 7 minutes on maximum power, it's best suited for smaller homes. Its cleaning performance and versatility, combined with various accessory options, make it a solid choice for those seeking Dyson quality on a budget. Number 2. Shark Stratos Cordless. This is an excellent choice for versatile carpet cleaning. It boasts strong suction power, effective hair removal, and an infrared sensor that adjusts suction based on detected dust and dirt, minimizing the need for repeated passes. Its flexible wand bends at the touch of a button, making it easier to clean under furniture without straining your back. Additional features include a swiveling floor head with LED headlights, odor-neutralizing technology, and a design that prevents hair from wrapping around the brush rolls. The vacuum also converts to a handheld unit for added versatility. With up to 60 minutes of battery life in eco mode and a quick 3-hour recharge time, it's well suited for mid to large-sized homes. While it competes closely with the Dyson V8, the Shark Stratos is a top pick for those needing a powerful and adaptable cordless vacuum for carpets and pet hair. Number 3. Halo Capsule X Pet Max. This vacuum stands out in the cordless vacuum market for its powerful suction and impressive performance on both medium and deep pile carpets. It effectively picks up various debris types, including fine flour and large cornflakes, and handles pet hair with ease. This vacuum is quiet, lightweight, and comfortable to use with good maneuverability. It features a bagged system with a large 2-liter compostable bag, allowing for easy, dust-free emptying and protection of the motor from fine particles. The Capsule X includes 2 batteries, offering up to 50 minutes of runtime in medium power mode, and comes with a Pet Max bundle that includes 2 motorized floor heads, a motorized pet brush, and additional tools. While its bulky design can make handheld use a bit awkward, it excels in stick mode and offers excellent performance and eco-friendly features. Number 4. Dyson V15 Detect Absolute. Looking to splurge on the ultimate vacuum for carpets? The Dyson V15 Detect is your top choice. This high-end cordless vacuum offers impressive 230 air watts of suction power, effectively cleaning both carpets and hard floors. It features a laser that reveals microscopic dust and a piezo sensor that counts and identifies particles, with this data displayed on an LCD screen. The battery lasts between 15 and 60 minutes, depending on the power setting, and is swappable for extended use, though it takes 5 hours to recharge. It converts to a handheld mode, though it's a bit heavy. Included are a high-torque cleaning head, anti-tangle hairscrew tool, and soft roller head. While it can be noisy and the dustbin is average-sized, the V15 Detect excels in advanced cleaning technology. Number 5. Shark Stratos Upright. If you prefer a corded vacuum and want to avoid waiting for battery recharge, the Shark Stratos Upright is our top recommendation for carpets. Though it is a bit bulky and heavy, it excels in maneuverability with a detachable main unit and wand for easier under-furniture cleaning. This vacuum features exceptional hair pickup with anti-hair wrap technology, preventing hair tangles around the dual brush rolls, which is ideal for pet owners. It also includes an innovative anti-odor cartridge system that keeps both the machine and floors smelling fresh. The Stratos Upright's anti-allergen complete seal traps 99.9% of dust and allergens. Unlike the cordless model, it lacks Shark's Clean Sense IQ tech for automatic suction adjustment based on dirt levels, but it remains a powerful choice for those prioritizing cleaning performance over lightweight design. So, which vacuum reigns supreme? After intense testing, the Dyson V8 Detect Absolute emerges as the ultimate carpet conqueror. Its powerful suction, advanced technology, and versatile tools make it the top choice for deep cleaning your carpets.